Build a festival setlist with me. But here's the challenge. It's a family festival, and we are Gaelic metalcore. Kioshmaha. Hiadora. I think we should open with Vau Kya. It's got a great chorus in it. It's not too heavy. It's fun. Jehara and Seishias up next because they're heavy enough without being scary. It's for the metalhead dads and the mosh pit retirees in the audience. And Yolis is not yet. Chapel Road. I wish. I don't think she'll be there. Reinching Jeshol Seriplin. It's a cover of Hot to Go. D-E-I-S-E-O H-O-T-T-O-G-O. Everyone knows that song. Maybe not the Gaelic one, but they know the original. Severely. Namkhria, great chorus on that one. Iranor on the back of Namkhria, it picks the energy back up, but it is very heavy. Still a meg gumor. The closer third, Stocha Tok Jalav. Excellent chorus as well. Marav Tok is popular, and it's good for everyone jumping at the same time. There's Ntoramirich, Toshoch and Jirich, which is kind of where this all started. It's the Gunghul anthem, that's what it is. I'm going to chuck in some interludes, some risers, some beefy bass drops. If you are yet to pick up your tickets, there are still some left. Bishinklik, just a harnya, and Darnalaj, I'm going to still, yeah, that's Jamie and La. Bring your dancing shoes, I guess, he shing shivan.